we are going to spend the next 7 weeks learning about tap. For dancers who don't traditionally take tap classes, we strongly encourage that you still follow along with these videos because this is going to be where we really break down more understanding of like counting, understanding how we increase or decrease sound levels. We're going to go over really how our feet move a lot more and different isolations for some of the steps that we execute in tap. Throughout this, we are going to be working on our time steps and some of our drawbacks and Cincinnatis and all that fun stuff and different things that we're able to do. Some of this may be a review, some things we are just really detailing a little bit. So we encourage that you follow along, and I will see you tomorrow as we start off with counting. I will see you then.